Hey there, hustlers! Welcome back to Online Goldmine, where we dig deep to bring you the best tips and tricks for making money online. If you're looking to boost your online income, you're in the right place. Today, we've got something special for you, the top 5 side hustles to boost your online income. So, let's dive in and start earning. First up on our list is freelance writing. Got a knack for words? Turn that talent into cash by writing articles, blogs, or even ebooks for clients. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to get started. The more you write, the more you earn, and who knows? You might just find yourself a full-time gig. Remember, the key is to build a strong portfolio and gather positive reviews to attract more clients. Next on the list is online tutoring. If you're an expert in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant connect tutors with students all over the world. 105. Whether it's math, science, or even music, there's always someone eager to learn. Start by setting up a profile that highlights your expertise and teaching style. Coming in at number 3 is dropshipping. This side hustle is perfect if you want to run an e-commerce store without worrying about inventory. With dropshipping, you partner with suppliers who handle the shipping for you. You just focus on marketing and customer service. Websites like Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to set up your store and find products to sell. Remember, success in dropshipping comes from finding a niche market and effectively promoting your products. Our fourth side hustle is affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a strong social media presence, you can earn money by promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Amazon Associates and ShareASale are popular platforms to get started. The trick is to choose products that align with your content and audience, ensuring that your promotions feel natural and engaging. Finally, at number 5, we have creating and selling digital products. This could be anything from online courses, ebooks, to graphic designs. If you have a skill or knowledge that others might find valuable, package it into a digital product and sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable. The beauty of digital products is that once created, they can be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. So there you have it, folks, 5 fantastic side hustles to boost your online income. Remember, the key to success is to start small, stay consistent, and continuously learn and adapt. Each of these side hustles offers a unique opportunity to leverage your skills and interests into a profitable venture. Thank you for tuning into Online Goldmine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. Until next time, keep hustling and turning your passions into profits.